The theme of this week has been gratitude or Thanksgiving. Question for you is, how does gratitude or Thanksgiving show up in your own life?
For most of the people, they tend to be grateful whenever they receive big things. So they wait for those big things to happen in their life so that they will be grateful. But here in our family, we are grateful with little things that we have, like the food on our table, family time together, a movie night every Saturday. If we sum up those little things that we can be grateful for, that can make a big ball of happiness.
What is something that you're proud about yourself lately? Something you've been working on, something about your character, who you are?
Proud of myself because I'm here with you, talking to you, Beck, doing this podcast interview. I think
Yes.
I'm not that confident to do this, but still I'm here. I hope that people will relate to whatever I'm saying. I hope I'm making sense. Well, going to the deeper side, I'm proud of myself being a husband and a father of two. It's very hard. Like, I know you're raising your children also. And it's because from the moment they came here on earth, it's like a plain canvas and you're putting colors to that plain canvas. And you have to make sure that the colors that you're applying are very colorful so that it will appear very good. Me and my wife, we don't pressure our kids to be good at everything. We tell our kids that even if they're not doing anything, they are worthy and we love them the same.